A hospital discharged a suicidal patient when his insurance expired, even though his treating physician had misgivings, and the patient died of an overdose shortly after that. The subsequent lawsuit, Muse v. Charter Hospital of Winston-Salem, featured a dispute about whether the hospital violated a duty of care to the patient. In June of 1986, 16-year-old Joe Muse checked into Charter Hospital of Winston-Salem, seeking treatment for depression and suicidal thoughts. While hospitalized, Joe suffered from auditory hallucinations and major depression, as well as suicidal and homicidal thoughts. Before Joe's medical insurance expired on July 12th, his treating physician, Dr. Barnhill, ordered a blood test to make sure that Joe was being given the correct dose of a medication. The blood test was scheduled for the 13th, so Dr. Barnhill asked the hospital administrator to let Joe stay until the 14th, and Joe's parents promised to pay for the extra days themselves. Joe was discharged on the 14th, even though the test results were still pending, and Dr. Barnhill had misgivings about discharging him. Just over 2 weeks after that, Joe died of an overdose. Subsequently, Joe's parents sued the hospital and its parent company, Charter Medical Corporation, for wrongful death in North Carolina court. After a trial, the jury found that the hospital was negligent for having a policy that required patients to be discharged when their insurance expired, and that the policy interfered with Dr. Barnhill's medical judgment. The jury ordered the hospital to pay compensatory and punitive damages to the Muses. The jury also determined that the hospital was an instrumentality of Charter Medical and ordered Charter Medical to pay punitive damages to the Muses. The hospital and Charter Medical appealed to the North Carolina Court of Appeals.